Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you all are fine. So let's get started. The first thing here is about naming and addressing. So today I will teach you about naming and addressing, what really this naming and addressing means, and what are other further roots of this naming and addressing. So let's move further and we'll see. So here the naming and addressing is about the ICANN, RIRs, IANA, GTTLDs and CCTLDs. These all are the roots of naming and addressing. So first we will see right now about ICANN, what really ICANN means. So you must remember this. ICANN means Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. So let's move further and we'll see what really ICANN is and what's the purpose of ICANN is. Just see here. So this diagram shows the communication between two users, and here what is the purpose of ICANN is, it's like to reach another person on the internet you have to type an address into your device, a name or a number. That address must be unique so computer will know where to find each other. ICANN maintain and administers these unique identifiers across the world. Without ICANN management of this system, known as the domain name system, we wouldn't have a global scalable internet where we can find each other. So what really this thing is, I hope you understand with this whole theory what is the purpose of ICANN. So let me tell you, let's suppose this is me and this is you, and I want to contact or communicate with you. So what I do, I have my cell phone, I have to type your number. You must have a unique number so I can contact with you. Okay, so this means you have a unique number. Every machine has its own IP address that is totally different from the other, and ICANN is managing these IP addresses. Okay, so I hope you understand what really the purpose of ICANN is and what they are doing. So let's move further and we'll see what the other things are and how they are working. Let's meet you in next lecture.